Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh to Miss Azima and all my friends. So we are here to discuss about our SCL9. So we are given 5 questions. So we need to choose one from them, right? So we would like to choose number 2, which is the importance to educate people about the hygiene and sanitation. So before we start our discussion today, I would like to introduce our members. From the right one is
Jonita Jonis, metric number 184317.
and me, Siti Najihah binti Abdul Salam, 182384.
And me, Nur Kusairi Berazali, number metric 181940.
So, guys, what are you understand about the hygiene and sanitation?
From my point of view, what I understand about this hygiene and sanitation is basically about the cleanliness of an area and that will affect our daily life.
Yes, I agree with you. Hygiene is very important, right, in our life. Sometimes hygiene is like our personality, actually, right? Our personality, which can be our identity, which when people look at us, they can know us from our hygiene, from our personality. So how about you, Kushairi?
Yes, I agree with you that hygiene bring our personality, because when when other people see or look at us like dirty, so they will surely think that we didn't take care of our
Yes.
hygiene and sanitation. So it is important for us to take care of our hygiene and sanitation.
It's look, if we are dirty, we did not care about our hygiene, it will give a negative perspective from other when they look at us. So why it is back to our topic, why it is important to educate people about the hygiene?
For sure, it is important for us to take care our hygiene, because it first of all it can avoid from disease, right?
Yes.
So when we are dirty, we didn't take care of our hygiene, so we will get many kind of disease like diarrhea, malaria, and anything else. So how about you, Jonita?
From my point of view, educating people is not only fixed in class. Actually, we can educate people in many different ways. Not only do talks, and then maybe
Not informal
Yes.
condition, right?
I think that's all.
So for me, when we want to educate people, we need to tackle the small one. I mean, like the kids, especially the primary school. So they when we educate them from the earlier, so they can be a part from their life. It means hygiene is something like very very important to them. So it will bring them to become a what we call. So when they are going to become teenagers, so they very take good care of themselves about their hygiene, right?
Yes.
So that's from my opinion about educate people. So you want to add something?
Yeah, I think we also can educate people by we can just like say directly to them to take care of the hygiene, like our roommate. We can tell them if they did not take care of their hygiene. It is like informal education to them, not only in the class, because sometimes they forget to take care of their cleanliness in their room, of themselves, so we can talk to them, advise them to clean and take care of their hygiene. So it's important for them to know about hygiene since they are small. So as they grow bigger, they will get used to the hygiene. So they will take care of their hygiene, so they can avoid from many kind of disease.
So as we know that education, knowledge is about knowledge, right? So knowledge we can get everywhere, anywhere, anytime, right? So like we always, I thought all of us always said that we need to clean our environment to avoid us from the Aedes, right? Aedes, to avoid dengue. So start from if you want to tackle these problems, I think we need to get the talk from someone else or someone which is have many experience about this, about how we want to tackle these problems. As example, like we need to avoid the accumulated water, right? To avoid the mosquito from being spreadly. So what do you think? Or you want to add something about the dengue, right?
Dengue. This means that we are specifically want to talk about the water hygiene. Okay. For me, water hygiene has become an issue throughout the world nowadays because as we all know that water pollution happens in all countries and especially in developing countries, and nevertheless the developed country also have this kind of issue. And I think education again run away from education because we need to educate people from the early age, and that's why because sanitation and hygiene, it will bring a better future when all the generation knows about the hygiene steps, and yeah, so
As you know that water is the main source, right, for us to cook, to
drink,
right?
It not only the ingredients of water. It's not only can cause the Aedes, but we use the water every day. We used to drink, to bath, to cook. So
It's
it
affect
will,
our life
affect
if
our
the
life.
water is not in the clean condition, right? So besides water, actually we need a good environment in our life. So we need to not just kids need this education. It's also involve the adult. So they especially parents, right? So they can teach their children. They can become a role model to their children about the hygiene and sanitation. In whatever they go, wherever they go, they went, they can remember what their parents showed them from their home, right? So parents actually give the main role in order to educate their children. So what you guys or have you got any education from your lecturers or your friends?
Yeah,
You want to share with us?
My parents always say to me to bath every day, to brush our teeth,
Of course.
to take care of our cleanliness, and not to wear the same clothes.
Yes.
Maybe to wear the same clothes every day, because we are sweat, so the sweat can obviously can smell, so it's not good for us. It will ruin our personality, our people perspective about ourselves. So it's not only about what we are not only focused on water, but also on our everything that we are doing every day on the cleanliness, about the air that we breathe. We also have to take care about that. But the food we eat, all of that we have to focus on every day, so that we can avoid from getting disease.
So before we eat, we need to wash our hand and because when we touch anything, there are many bacteria, right? In the things that we hold. So before we eat, we need to wash our hand by using Dettol.
Yeah, the soap. We also have to drink drink water that have been boiled, so that all the bacteria is died. So this can avoid us from diarrhea. So Jorita?
Actually, I think washing hand before taking the meals also should be put in the first place, but actually, especially when we eat outside, we should have to consider about the environment also.
Yeah, sometimes if we go to the
Stall. There are many flies.
Yes,
Yeah.
red, run,
So,
run happy. So it's very, if we are not notice about that, it's very affect our life actually, right? So I have noticed that many of us they know about the hygiene, but they don't want to do. Actually, even we have educated them with the hygiene, but it depends on themselves. They want to do that. I mean that they want to practice or not. It depends on that person. So if it's useless if someone talk to us about the hygiene, but we just ignore about the knowledge. It's very actually the knowledge are very useful for us to become a better person, to achieve a good condition in our life. So if we get any information about the knowledge, we can share with others. Especially today, we have many media social that we can share the knowledge and the information through this media like Facebook, WhatsApp, and we can also share about for the image via Instagram, right? So we can share with all of them many information. So when they don't know, even when they are surf internet, so they can get the information.
Yeah, but the person have to take the responsibility to practice on what they have seen,
Yes.
or what they have studied, or what they have seen on the media social, right? Not just like read about the information of the disease, but they just ignore. It's not good for us.
After all, it's all about the person itself, himself.
Next, I think the hygiene not only about the environment, but it also image our personality, our identity. Right? When you are messy, you are dirty, for sure people will not going to friend with you.
Yes.
It will affect our relationship between friends. So we need to take care of that.
So it can affect our emotional when we don't have any friends that want to friends with us, right? So they become alone. We can see that that everyone don't want to friend with them, right? So they can negatively perspective from the others to us. So Joan, you want to add anything?
Actually, I also did experience the same thing. I met a person. I met a person that had this not really taking care of her hygiene, and then it obviously affect the relationship. Even though you try to get close to her, but then
You cannot.
you cannot control. Yeah.
You'll be something like yeah.
Yeah, and then it's really not good lah.
So for the conclusion, we need to realize how important to educate ourselves and our friends about the hygiene and sanitation, right? So we cannot simply say that hygiene are not important in our life. We cannot say like that, because in our personality, our physical appearance also affect about the hygiene, and we need to. So if we get any knowledge from the experience, so we need to share with others about this. So I think so.
And the individual also have to realize and listen to the advice that the other people give to them, so they can practice on all the hygiene and the sanitation, taking care, so they can avoid from disease.
So I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.